Please, Luke. Please, please, please.
How many cups have you had this morning?
None.
Plus?
5, but yours is better.
You have a problem.
Yes, I do.
Junkie.
Angel, you've got wings, baby.
Luke. Yeah. 11.
You make that look really good.
Oh, it is really good. It's the best coffee in town.
Oh, yeah? I'll have to get a cup.
Good plan.
Yeah, I've never been here before. Just passing through on my way to Hartford.
You're a regular Jack Kerouac.
Yeah. Hey, you mind if I sit down?
Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm meeting someone, so
I'm Joey.
Okay.
What, you don't have a name?
No, I do have a name. I'm really meeting someone, so.
So I guess I should get going.
So soon?
What?
I'm just screwing with your mind, Joey. It's nice to meet you. Enjoy Hartford.
Enjoy a coffee. Mystery woman.
I like that.
Hey, it's freezing.
Oh, what do you need? Hot tea? Coffee?
Lip gloss.
Aha. I have vanilla chocolate strawberry and toasted marshmallow.
Anything in there not resembling a breakfast cereal?
Yes. It has no smell, but it changes colors with your mood.
God, RuPaul doesn't need this much makeup.
Well, you're crabby.
I'm sorry. I lost my Macy Gray CD and I need caffeine.
Oh, I have your CD.
Thief?
Sorry. And I will get you some coffee. What? It's not for me. It's for Rory, I swear.
You're shameless.
Look, Officer Krupke, she's right at that table, right over there.
Right.
Oh, he's got quite a pair, this guy. Thanks.
Yeah, I've never been through it before.
Oh, you have too.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. You really like my table, don't you?
I was just,
Getting to know my daughter.
you're...
Are you my new daddy?
Wow. You do not look old enough to have a daughter. No, I mean it. And you do not look like a daughter.
That's possibly very sweet of you. Thanks.
So, daughter. You know, I am traveling with a friend.
She's 16.
Bye.
Drive safe. Please, Luke. Please, please, please. Please, Luke. Please, please, please.
How many cups have you had this morning?
No.
How many cups have you had this morning?
No. None.
Plus?
None.
Plus?
Five, but yours is better. 5, but yours is better.
You have a problem.
Yes, I
You have a problem.
Yes, I do. Do.
Junkie. Junkie.
Angel, you've got wings, baby.
Luke's. Yeah. 11.
Angel, you've got wings, baby.
Luke's. Yeah. 11.
Please, Luke. Please, please, please.
How many cups have you had this morning?
None.
Plus,
5, but yours is better.
you have a problem.
Yes, I do.
Junkie.
Angel, you've got wings, baby.
Luke's. Yeah.